know who you meet. So you are your brand. You present yourself. Even when you go out at a bar, just make your friends. The ones that you are partying with at the moment, who knows what they're going to be like 20 years from now. Like, I know my friends, I meet them now. It's like, oh my gosh, we did make it, you know. But I can tell you, I went to a party in Laguna Beach, and at that party, you know, having dances and drinks, I met someone that worked at Architectural Digest, and he was doing some of the booking for the shows for New York, but he was in Laguna Beach that weekend. So I met him and I spoke to him and I said, I'm a designer, blah, blah, blah. And he said, listen, the Architectural Digest this year is going to have a special exhibition for emerging designers. So, you know, do you want to submit your work and see if they get, and I said, I don't have any product. Like, that was the intention for me to design product, but I don't have anything. Why don't you put some sketches together, he said, and let me present it to the board. And if they take it, they take it. And if they don't, they don't. However, if they like it, can you make samples? And I said, okay, I'll figure it out. So I sketched my first line of homewares, which was 7 pieces. And I sketched it literally by hand. And I presented it. I did a beautiful, again, marketing, very important. I did a beautiful packaging. The presentation was beautiful. He calls and he said, that's it, you got a booth. And I'm like, oh my gosh, now I need to make this product. And I mean, this is very typical of product designers. And that's what I did. And I went to a carpenter friend of mine. I said, you need, you know, don't gift it, but don't charge me, don't make money out of me. You know, can you make this 7 pieces? And I also asked for a loan, and that's what I did. I shipped everything to New York. I showed it, and that's it. Magazines started writing about me. And that's what actually won me the job in China. So it's like, you never know, right? It was like that one meeting that I met this person that gave me that opportunity. And instead of me saying, I don't have it, I can, maybe next year, it was like, I will wing it.
I love this, Lorena. I want to take a pause really quick to underscore, because throughout your story, the common thread here is resilience and opportunity. And there's so many lessons. Like, I'm taking notes here. A couple of things I want to highlight for the team. She mentioned something that everybody here has talked about: confidence and being young and being perceived as young. Everybody in this room has talked about that. And what the right action is to give your energy to continue taking action, not to be worried about being young. Because if you spend a lot of time in that energy space, it doesn't get you anywhere.